I am deeply honored to stand here today in support of Analisa Torres' nomination to the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York. I also want to thank President Obama for acting on my recommendation and nominating another superbly qualified female jurist to the federal bench. I know Judge Torres as a fair-minded woman of great integrity. Her lifetime of public service and legal experience, serving as a jurist, an attorney, and serving her community has earned her the respect of her colleagues. Her body of work demonstrates her qualifications to serve on the federal bench. Since 2000, she has served as a judge in various courts, including the Criminal Court of the City of New York, and in 2012, she was elected to a 14-year term as a New York State Supreme Court Justice. Judge Torres has previously worked in private practice as a law clerk and as a teacher. In her current role, she has exemplified pragmatism and has demonstrated a consistent commitment to thoughtful, sound, and fair reasoning. In addition to her professional work, she has shown an enduring commitment to her community. There's no question that Judge Torres is extremely well qualified and well suited to serve on the federal bench. I strongly urge this country to move forward to make more women like her serving on the federal bench, an institution that I believe needs more exceptional women. Today, women make up only 30% of the federal bench. According to the National Women's Law Center, only 66% of women of color currently serve as active federal judges. That's less than 10% of the nation's active federal bench. We have to do better. Judge Torres' nomination has been pending before this body for over 150 days. I urge my colleagues to put aside partisan differences and help us move forward on the 14 judicial nominees who have been forced to deal with this unprecedented delay. I remind my colleagues that greater diversity of gender, ethnicity, and professional backgrounds are not just ideals that we should aspire to, but steps we must take to have a judiciary that is more diverse, more reflective of the great country that we live in. I have no doubt that Judge Torres serving in the federal judiciary will bring us closer to that goal. I was proud to recommend her for this position, and I urge my colleagues to join me in supporting her nomination.